Armbar him for that. Gator bitten.
Keep going.
Like you're doing a plank on his legs, and then circle, circle. You don't want to lay on him because he'll sweep you over. Like a plank, and then circle towards his side. There we go. Pull that arm across. You actually have it backwards, but you can still get it that way. Your legs are backwards though. And then squeeze. If it's not working, switch your feet. Yes. And then get that new angle. You need a new angle. You're going to come this way. You can armbar too. Remember, you want your back flat. You spin your head over there. Yep. Bring your shin with. Yep. Now relock close to his shoulder. Yep. Keep it like that. And then squeeze your knees together. He's right there. Yep. Time. Let's switch around. So back to your same spot, and then my side move to your left. Wait, to the right. So yeah, you're here, and then you are all the way down here with Jen. Yep. You would be, yeah. There you go. Okay, guys, shake hands and go. That's Jake without hair. Just Jake, he's not here anymore. Don't hold them, Gav. You're just making it heavier on you. You want to turn sideways. Try to get to your knees behind him. Push his head to the mat. You want to turn sideways facing him. Turn to your left. Yep. Start pushing his head to the mat. Get up on your knees. And when you can pop your head out, you pop your head out and take his back. Push him more down if you can't get out. Now get his back. Sit up, sweep. Hold the elbow. Okay. Go. quick rest, and then go again. No, we don't want that.
I might win that way. No, the accusing me.
Time. Let's switch around. Same spots, and then the same side moves to the right. Okay. Gavin. Oh yeah, you're there. Okay, guys, shake hands. And go.
Winning!
Try the knee and the tailbone.
Fine, I'm winning!
And stretch his legs out.
There's a leg lock. It doesn't stand a chance.
He'll let you put your elbow there forever. That's not going to work. Try to put your knee in the tailbone and then back your other knee far away. Yeah. Or you can do the one where you stand. You hold his arm with two hands and then you stand up. There you go.
This suddenly looked very good. Not winning.
Not winning.
Oh yeah, good. Hold on. Oh, there's stars everywhere.
Don't tap, Jake. Don't tap. Don't tap.
Because you're pivoting like that. It's hard to.
Gotta get out of that, Jake.
Get out! Get out! You never listen to me!
I don't know how to get out.
Needed to crawl. It works every time.
Don't worry, only say you mean if you're the way around.
Wrist lock me. Bad. Not cool.
Yeah. Sure?
Nice. Get the back.
You can do this without anyone getting kicked in the head.
You can roll under and try to get his back.
Oh, yeah, look up, don't you?
Uh-oh. Dueling toe holds.
There's Caramel.
He's too gangly. Time. Let's switch around. So back to your spot and then move to the right again. Who moved? Who was on the very corner? Gavin? So Gavin, you have Jen. We're not tired. We're not tired. All right, shake hands.
Hold up.
And go. Shake hands. And go. You guys are on video, not going. Sprint. Go behind Dave. Go behind him. Go behind him. You work your collar chokes. The body triangle is good to keep him from going anywhere, but you want to work submissions now. So he's not going to be able to get out, so you can try to work your collar chokes. Those are good. Nothing. Yeah. This is called nothing.
It's reverse donkey, isn't it?
It's nothing. Now try to get in your hooks, and you'll get 4 points. There's one. Roll them over. Good. Don't cross your feet. Get that second hook in. And try to scooch behind his back more. There you go. Climb, climb, climb. Now look for chokes. How to get out of that, Kai? You don't want to let anyone stall you out in the body triangle, you know?
You missed a good part, right?
Oh,
You missed my good part.
do it again, do it again. You did it once, can you do it again? That's the question.
Nope.
I saw what you were trying though. Oh, that's on camera. Time. Let's switch one last time. Yeah.
You don't matter if you tap, you still gotta keep it.
Oh yeah. Switch one last time.
I'm gonna walk up.
They're dead. They're dead. One more.
I'm getting the Velociraptor.
The Velociraptor.
You like it?
I like that.
The Kelanoma.
The Kelanoma.
Yeah, melanoma.
Uh-huh. I got it. All right, guys. Shake hands.
Not as funny and lighthearted.
And go. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So mean. I'll be right over in a sec. We're just running over today with all our classes. So. Take the back, Kai. Come on, Lauren. Yeah, get out, get out. There we go.
Like the head.
Tell me do what?
So get back.
As I clear that, start scooching up.
Like that?
Yep.
Oh, like that. Oh, keep up wherever you want. fucking Bronco, I swear.
I'm ready to choke myself.
That's the next level.
Finished.